A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, in the previous video, we saw exercise 11.3, question number 1 and 2. Today, we are going to continue exercise 11.3 and solve some more sums. So, let us solve it. Exercise 11.3, question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meters, find its radius. Also, find the area of the sheet. Students, in this question, circumference of a circular sheet is given to us and we have to find the radius and area of the circular sheet. Students, you have to remember that first of all, you have to find the radius and then area. And to find the radius of circle, you have to apply the formula of circumference of the circle. So, let us solve question number 3 and find the radius and area of circular sheet. Circumference of a circular sheet is given 154 meters. Therefore, radius equals to how much? And area of circular sheet equals to how much? We know that circumference of circle equals to 2 pi r. Therefore, 154 equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Students, now we have to transpose whole number 2 and also fractional number 22 upon 7 from RHS to LHS by writing their reciprocal. Thus, transposing 2 from RHS to LHS by writing its reciprocal and also transposing 22 upon 7 from RHS to LHS by writing its reciprocal, we get 154 into 1 upon 2 into 7 upon 22 equals to r. Students, note that the reciprocal of whole number 2 is 1 upon 2 and the reciprocal of 22 upon 7 is 7 upon 22. Students, now let us cancel denominator 22 and 154 as 154 is a multiple of 22. Thus, cancelling denominator 22 and 154, we get 7 into 1 into 7 upon 2. Students, now let us multiply numerator 7 by numerator 7 and keep denominator 2 as it is. Thus, multiplying 7 by 7 and keeping denominator 2 as it is, we get 49 upon 2. Thus, radius of circular sheet is 49 upon 2 meters. Now, let us find the area. We know that the area of circle equals to pi r square, which is equals to 22 upon 7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. Students, now let us cancel denominator 7 and numerator 49, as 49 is a multiple of 7, and also denominator 2 and numerator 22, as 22 is a multiple of 2. Thus, cancelling denominator 7 and numerator 49, we get 7. Also, cancelling denominator 2 and numerator 22, we get 11. Now, let us first multiply 7 by 11. Thus, multiplying 7 by 11, we get 77. Now, let us again multiply 49 by 77 and keep denominator 2 as it is. Thus, multiplying 49 by 7 and keeping denominator 2 as it is, we get 3773 upon 2. Now, let us divide numerator 3773 by the denominator 2. Thus, dividing 3773 by 2, we get 1886.5. The area of circular sheet is 1886.5 square meters. Now, question number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle, including its diameter. Students, in this question, diameter of semicircle is given to us, which is 10 centimeters, and we have to find the perimeter of given figure, including its diameter. Students, so in order to find the perimeter of the given figure, including its diameter, we have to first find the radius of circle, then we have to find the perimeter of semicircle. Students, you have to remember that perimeter of semicircle is equal to pi r. Students, note that perimeter of circle is 2 pi r, whereas perimeter of semicircle is pi r. Students, after finding the perimeter of semicircle, we have to find the perimeter of given figure, including its diameter. Students, also you have to remember that to get the perimeter of given figure including its diameter, you have to add diameter of semicircle to perimeter of semicircle. So, let us solve question number 7 and find the radius, perimeter of semicircle and perimeter of given figure including its diameter. Diameter of semicircle is given to us 10 centimeters. Therefore, radius equals to how much? And perimeter of given figure including its diameter equals to how much? Students, we know that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Thus, dividing 10 by 2, we get 5 centimeters. Thus, radius is 5 centimeters. Now, let us find the perimeter of semicircle. We know that perimeter of semicircle is equal to pi r, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 5. Students, now we have to multiply numerator 22 by whole number 5 and we have to keep the denominator 7 as it is. Thus, multiplying numerator 22 by whole number 5 and keeping denominator 7 as it is, we get 110 by 7. Now, dividing numerator 110 by the denominator 7, we get 15.71. Thus, perimeter of semicircle is 15.71 centimeters. Now, let us find the perimeter of given figure including its diameter. We know that perimeter of given figure equals to perimeter of semicircle plus diameter of semicircle. Thus, adding 10 to 15.71, we get 25.71. Thus, perimeter of given figure including its diameter is 25.71 centimeters. Now, question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 square meters. A sprinkle at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meters. Will the sprinkle water the entire garden? Take pi equals to 3.14. Students, in this question, area of circular flower garden is given to us. It is also given to us that the sprinkle of the garden covers an area that has radius of 12 meters. And we have to find that the sprinkle will water the entire garden or not. Students, so in order to find whether the sprinkle will water the entire garden or not, we have to find the radius of circular flower garden. Students, in order to find the radius of circular flower garden, we have to apply the formula of area of circle. Students, note that if we will get the radius of circular flower garden 12 meters or less than 12 meters, then we have to write that the sprinkle will water the entire garden. Otherwise, not. Students, also note that the value of pi given to us is 3.14. So, we have to take 3.14 and not 22 upon 7. So, let us solve question number 7 and find the radius of circular flower garden and conclude the answer. Area of circular flower garden is given to us 314 square meters. Therefore, radius of circular flower garden equals to how much? We know that in order to find radius of circle, we have to here apply the formula of area of circle. And we know that area of circle is equal to pi r square. Therefore, 314 equals to 3.14 into r square. Students, now we have to transpose decimal number 3.14 from RHS to LHS by changing its sign from multiplication to division. Thus, transposing 3.14 from RHS to LHS by changing its sign from multiply to divide, we get 314 upon 3.14 equals to R square. Students, now we have to convert whole number 314 as well as decimal number 3.14 into fractional. Thus, converting 314 and 3.14 into fractional number, we get 314 upon 1 divided by 314 upon 100 equals to R square. Students, now we have to multiply 314 upon 1 by the reciprocal of 314 upon 100. Thus, multiplying 314 upon 1 by the reciprocal of 314 upon 100, we get 314 upon 1 multiplied by 100 upon 314 equals to R square. Students, now we have to cancel common numerator and denominator 314. Thus, cancelling denominator 314 and numerator 314, we get 100 upon 1, which is equals to 100 r square. Thus, radius of circle is equal to 10 meters. Students, since this sprinkle can cover an area of radius 12 meter, or we can say that 12 meter is greater than 10 meter, the sprinkle will water the entire garden.